feels too good to be true. I don't know what else to do but to get up and move, build an enterprise, change my children's lives. The way I feel inside, my time is minimized. I gotta plan devise problems, I'ma improvise. I can't lose my temper, got too much to jeopardize. You can't trust no one these days, they gon' testify. I battle with myself daily, I'm a Gemini. Two sides to every story, so I empathize. I done came a long way since I went inside, standing at the finish line. Can I really finish mine? I don't hear them when they criticize or they tell them lies. Give them time.
I woke up this morning feeling low, and I had to let go of my ego. I can't stand my reflection no more, and I don't know why I can't take it slow. I don't know why, I don't know why, I don't know why I can't take it slow. From the roads I've been traveling to the demons I'm battling, tell the truth. Sometimes I feel like I'm unraveling. I've been having my head down and facing these challenges, I don't know. I feel like I've been wasting my talent. I've been moving in hate, I ain't been moving in love. You gotta be the first to admit it when you fucking up. I've been trying to get it right, I've been focused on the light, and I learned that real change doesn't happen overnight. Tell my girl to blow on twice before I roll the dice. This is our last chance, it's the bottom of the ninth. I can feel the wind coming, put the bottles on the ice. It's about fucking time, we've been losing all our life. Cheers to change. I woke up this morning feeling low, and I had to let go of my ego. I can't stand my reflection no more, and I don't know why I can't take it slow. I don't know why, I don't know why, I don't know why I can't take it slow. Take it slow.
Baby, let's get back to the basics. Baby, let's get back to the basics. Baby, let's get back to the basics. Baby, let's get back to the basics.
Let go. Baby, let's sell your diamond rings, buy some boots and faded jeans and gas up the old 73. Middle finger, let them all be. Load up the kids, let's all leave and then ride off in the sunrise. I'm too good at goodbyes, they never let me leave the good guy. Every story got two sides, like every road it got two lines. Swerve in between one of them and lead the past in the moonlight. Hard times, that was yesterday, but today we running on good vibes. Quit playing with me, cat daddy, I'ma take all 9 lives. Big dog in a big body with some savage kids in a hood shorty. In the streets for too long, a little country might be good for me. Love story where we disappeared down a dusty trail with a duffel bag. Never looking back, let's we double back with 100 packs from Luke to back.
Luking back Texas with Waylon and Willie and the boys. And this successful life we're living's got us feuding like the Hatfields and the boys. Between struggle, gin and pain songs and jealous cocaine songs and blue eyes that's crying in the rain. Down in Luking back Texas, ain't nobody feeling no pain. Ain't nobody feeling no pain. Countrified, southern fried, all of us is simple folk. We don't talk a lot, boil it down to the chicken bone. Candy paint, them chrome wheels. I reminisce and get cold chills. I reminisce to mama telling me don't make a mountain up out of no molehill. Would you hate on me if I was broke still? Are you mad cause I kept on chasing it? Are you mad cause I ended up making it? And you feel like I'm rubbing your face in it? Say what you wanna say and I'll be on my shorty side. Bar closes at 3 and we'll pull up at 1:45. Only 2 things in life can make it worth living. Guitars too good and firm killing women. Fucking music road girl, smoking weed on Broadway. Middle fingers up with the outlaws of our day. Let's go to Luking back Texas with Waylon and Willie and the boys. And this successful life we're living's got us feuding like the Hatfields and the boys. Between struggle, gin and pain songs and jealous cocaine songs and blue eyes that's crying in the rain. Down in Luking back Texas, ain't nobody feeling no pain. Ain't nobody feeling no pain.
Baby, let's get back to the basics. Baby, let's get back to the basics. Baby, let's get back to the basics. Baby, let's get back to the basics of love.
Ride Start off in the sunset, make love to the sunrise. Beauty in the beast, high class in the low light. Outlaws for life, all my friends from low places. Eat the fruits of my labor, tequila with no chaser. Love is in my nature, wild hearts can't be tamed. That rambling man in my blood, guess my daddy can be blamed. Take the cuffs off, baby, our melody is a chain. Four-wheel drive to the spot where nobody feeling pain.
Looking back Texas with Waylon and Willie and the boys. This successful life we're living scatters fuel like the Hatfields and